Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add 3 indicators in TradingView. First, open your browser and go to TradingView. Once you are logged in, open any chart. You can select a market from your watch list or search for a symbol at the top. When the chart loads, look at the top toolbar and find the Indicators button. Click on it. A new window will open. Here you can search for any indicator. For example, you can type Moving Average or RSI in the search bar. On the free or basic plan, you are only allowed to add 2 indicators at the same time. If you try to add a third one, TradingView will not allow it. But there is a simple workaround. In the same Indicators window, click on the Technical section. In the search bar, type words like 3 in 1 or multiple. You will see community indicators created by other users. These are pre-made scripts that combine 2 or 3 indicators into one. Choose the indicator that includes the tools you need. Click on it to add it to your chart. Even though it contains multiple indicators inside, TradingView will count it as only one indicator. This way, you can effectively use 3 or even more indicators on a free plan. Thanks for watching.